When you think of marketing your auto repair shop, I'll bet you're thinking about running ads on Google or Facebook, maybe doing social media or SEO too. You're probably imagining an influx of cars to your base from new customers and that everyone in town knows who you are. This is acquisition marketing. Acquisition marketing is what helps people find you. Google ads, Facebook ads, direct mail, and great SEO will all make your phone ring, but a full marketing plan is not complete without strategies for customer retention. That's what we're talking about today. Hi, I'm Legrand, Senior Messaging Strategist at Shop Marketing Pros, and I help our clients retain their customers using the exact strategies I'm going to talk about in this video. The best marketing strategy of all when it comes to retaining customers is providing an experience worth coming back to at your auto repair shop. This means having a proven process from start to finish for a stress-free customer journey. This includes having well-trained and kind staff members, offering transparency for your costs and the repairs needed to someone's vehicle, educating your customers to make good decisions for their vehicles and for their safety, and being respectful to all customers. Bonus points if you have a clean, well-maintained shop with a nice waiting area, free Wi-Fi, complimentary refreshments, and especially clean restrooms. Now, you're probably thinking that doesn't sound like marketing. Marketing is defined as the activity or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. But first impressions and outward appearances make a huge impact on a customer's likelihood of returning to your shop or recommending it to others. Therefore, I'd argue that a more modern definition of marketing includes relationship building and customer communication. But retention marketing does include traditional modern strategies like social media, email marketing, using your CRM, and direct mail. Here's how they work. Most of your followers on social media are family, friends, and customers of your shop, and the posts you create and share should reflect this. Social media was created for just that, being social. Using your social media to share what's going on at the shop is a great way to practice retention marketing. One thing that we do here at Shop Marketing Pros is that we send new clients a flyer with their social media handles and a QR code so they can put it up in the shop and make sure that all of their customers are following them on social media to stay in touch. This is a great way to communicate on a more casual and regular basis with your loyal fans and keep them coming back. You can post about your team, cool cars or repairs in the shop, holidays, celebrations, and more. People like people, and they'll love getting to know the faces of your team and get more comfortable with your shop. Social media is a two-way communication tool, and we want your customers to be engaging back with you, so make sure the content that you share is worth engaging with. Similarly to social media, most of the addresses on your email list are likely from existing customers. But what does this mean for how you market to them? Well, they already know you, so you don't want to throw around any advertising jargon or try and sound too salesy. Monthly email newsletters are a great way to let your customers know what's been happening at your shop and invite them to join in on anything fun like anniversaries, events, or promotional offers only given to existing customers. Even if they don't click or open the email, they still see your name in their inbox, which helps keeps you relevant and top of mind for when they do need a repair or maintenance. Do me a favor, if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and tell us in the comments what your favorite customer retention strategy is. Your feedback motivates the team to keep making these videos. Now, back to customer retention strategies. As a shop owner, you likely have a shop software or a CRM to keep track of appointments and invoices and to communicate transactional information with your customers. What you might not know is that these platforms have plenty of tools in them to level up your retention strategies. By creating automated campaigns for appointment reminders, appointment follow-ups, and lost customer outreach, you can keep in touch with customers and ensure you're staying top of mind. Plus, if you want a tip from the pros, customize the messages that you're sending so that they really sound like you. This goes a lot further than sticking with the messages that are pre-created in the system. Next up is direct mail. Direct mail is commonly used for acquisition since it's a low-cost way to get a flyer for your shop in virtually anyone's mailbox. It usually is a little bit more expensive to use a targeted list, but you can send mailers to your existing customers as a way to thank them for being great and loyal customers. Plus, give them a reason to book their maintenance again sooner rather than later. One thing to remember when focusing on retention is that you're working with a different audience. When you're advertising for new customers, you're sharing more information about your services and who you are, and your copywriting is meant to grab their attention and keep them engaged with your ad long enough to take action on it. When your focus is on retention though, your audience has already had at least one experience with your auto repair shop since they're customers already. This means they already know where you're located, what the shop looks like, and generally what services you offer. What's going to keep them engaged and coming back to your shop is you communicating with them on a more personal level. Drop the sales tactics and keep it simple, engaging, and fun while still being informative. I like to think about this as the way that you speak to someone you just met for the first time and how that may differ from somebody you've met a few times. Your acquisition marketing is written for first-time introductions and elevator pitches, but your retention marketing can be treated like an old friend. It boils down to our key idea at Shop Marketing Pros. Your clients have to know, like, and trust you. To get started with retention marketing, start from the top with social media and then work your way through the additional strategies. Take a look at your social media and make sure you're actually being social, not just selling the shop or your services. Then you can help customers feel like part of the family by personalizing your follow-up messages, reaching out to them after their appointments to ensure their happiness, or by providing a rewards program to encourage them to keep coming back to the shop. If you really want to take things to the next level, you can do things like hosting events at your shop, such as open houses, car care clinics, or coffee and car talks, getting involved in your local community events, or leaving swag bags or something simple like a cookie or a coupon in their car for their next visit. Retention marketing strategies make your customers feel heard, important, and valued. You're likely doing a lot of these things already in the shop, but if you're looking for more guidance, Shop Marketing Pros would be glad to help.